Hey guys, this is day six. It's Daniel Legend here. Day six of 52 days trading gold, and today it's Friday, and this was my setup and trade I took. Yesterday was Thursday. I did not take a trade, but I did do some setup, and yeah, I would have been in profit, but I decided to spend yesterday back testing because I had a couple of losses the day before. So I decided to take some time off the market and backtest. And yeah, so this was what happened today. Um, yeah, so I woke up this morning, did my analysis. I was expecting the market to drop because if you look at the 1 hour time frame, see that we have a resistance level, resistance zone here. So resistance level was still valid. And yeah, so I waited for the market for London session to open. I would have entered before the open of London session, but I don't know, I just didn't like the idea of going to the market before London session. So yeah, waited for London session to open before I got into the sell move. Now, guys, this was this was meant to be like a 1 to 10 ratio, risking 100 to get 1000. And to be honest with you, I when I saw the setup, I knew yes, there's a lot of profit to make from this trade. At the same time, I had this mindset like I should just go with what I used to go with, which is 500 pips to 2000 pips, but this time I should just go for double, which would be like 4000 pips. And I don't know, I wanted to make more, which was greed. Yeah, it was greed. But at the same time, it was me trying to maximize the potential, the opportunity I saw. So yeah, market came here and I put out the trade, closed my phone, went to do some other stuff. Later came back and like within few minutes, I was literally on the 1 hour chart when I just saw the thing drop. And I was like, what? So yeah, it dropped this much, and I think I saw the market reversing. You see a screen record. I have a screen record here. This is it right here. You see that the market was in profit. I started reversing. Now, this is what eventually happened. So now this is a support zone. Yeah. But the market, this is a fair value gap, and also a support. Eventually became a support zone where the market broke this and was on a bearish candle and eventually closed as a bullish candle. And if you read candlestick patterns, you would know that this move means the sellers were much, really pushed the market, but the buyers eventually closed this candle. And it was very conflicting for me, honestly. Imagine seeing that usually this whole profit and now coming to see markets coming back. So like it's going to give you a loss. And also if you look here, you see that the market opened and started going up. So basically it was like it was a reversal. And this kind of fast move, only God knows what would have happened if it started moving that fast upwards. So yeah, I closed out. Yeah, I feel bad. I closed out on this trade. And eventually, when I noticed that this was a support that broke out, I knew that, oh, there is eventually going to be potential for a re-entry. So I tried entering multiple times to just catch the flow. But yo, man, this really stressed me out. And I eventually just decided that, you know what, I'm going to work with this recent low instead of working with the previous TP that I had in mind. So decided to work with this previous low and started trying to get a good entry to just um, milk the market to this point. And eventually I got the entry, and when the price got here, I was out of the trade. And yeah, so by God's grace, I've been able to get some profit today, and my account is at 4%. Yeah, 4% profit as of this week. I'm done for the week. There's nothing. There's nothing to look at in this market again. I'm done for the week. Yeah, and yeah. So good luck. Please like, follow, and share. It's going to be encouraging to anybody, even to yourself. You can come back, rewatch it, and yeah, by God's grace, we'll get to the next stage and the next stage and the next stage. So, moral for today: stick to your plan, and as much as sometimes it's safer to get out when you can get out, but just know what you're willing to risk and risk it instead of going through the stress that I had to go through. Keep up the work, believe in yourself. If you have a good working strategy, follow up with it, back test your work, journal, and yeah. See you guys some other time. Daniel Legend here. Peace out.